Moving on to splices. You may be asking, what is a splice? A splice is joining two independent clauses with a comma and no conjunction. It's called a comma splice. It's type of run-on sentence. Some think it's a punctuation error.
Here we have 3 examples for the comma splices. Keep in mind while reading the 3 examples that the comma can change for a coordinating conjunction such as and. I went to the mall, Jane was there. We could switch that up as I went to the mall and Jane was there. Next sentence is my sisters and I went to the beach, we had a great time. Again, my sisters and I went to the beach and we had a great time. The last sentence, I needed to get groceries. I went to the store. Once again, we can change it with and. I needed to get groceries and I went to the store.
Here's a little tip and trick to help you remember the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Remember this word, fanboys. F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. These are all coordinating conjunctions that we use almost every day without realizing. Make sure that you remember whenever you're typing or writing, remember the word fanboys to remember the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions. We have 3 subordinating conjunctions. We have relative pronouns, reason, and condition. For relative pronouns, they are most likely to start with a W, and maybe that's a trick that you can use when trying to think of relative pronouns. We have who, whoever, whom, whomever, and whose. For reason, we have because, since, so that, in order or in order to, and as. For condition, we have if, only if, unless, provided that, and assuming that.
There is also more subordinating conjunctions such as place, relative adjectives, and manner. For place, we have where and wherever. For relative adjectives, we have that, whatever, which, and whichever. And for the last one, we have how, as though, and as if. To finish off our presentation, we have another example for you guys. The first independent clause is I am sleepy, and the second one is I have to go to work. If we put both of them together and add a comma, it makes a comma splice. I am sleepy, I have to go to work. Thank you for listening to our presentation.